everyone, my name is Twiggy, and today I'm doing Will You Press the Button? So let's get started. This first one says, you will receive eternal youth and immortality. Okay. But in order to achieve this, you must be placed in a sensory deprivation tank for the rest of time. I don't know. No, that sounds dangerous. No. I don't like danger. Okay, next question. That was good. Alright, this one says, your favorite TV character becomes real and is your best friend, SpongeBob. But any supernatural ability they had, counting superpowers, magic, arts, is nullified. I don't know if SpongeBob. What about Katniss from the Hunger Games? I guess I didn't. I don't know. I don't really have any superpowers. No. I'll press it because I did. It would be cool. Alright. This one says, you can stop time at any given moment. Oh my gosh, that would be so cool. You could like get out of school and go get a milkshake, drink a milkshake without even paying. Anyways, but bread tastes slightly more like oatmeal. You can stop time at any given moment, but bread tastes slightly more like oatmeal. Yeah, I guess. What? I don't care if bread tastes more like oatmeal. I didn't even know bread tastes like oatmeal. That one's my favorite one right there. This one says, you gain the power to become invisible, but you can only go invisible when you close your eyes. Then I can't see. So there's no point. No. Okay. Next question. You have unlimited money, but no one will sell you anything. No. Then money's useless. No. All money is paper. Actually, no, it's not. Did you guys know that money, well, from America, is made out of cotton? Yeah, I thought that was really cool. I thought it was made out of paper. I always thought that. Alright, next question. You can make anyone do one thing for you, but afterwards they mercilessly pursue you and hunt you down. No. Why is this so violent? Jeez. Oh. Okay. This one says, religion I can't talk today. Religion completely vanishes from the planet, but a major economic crisis holds back science for another 200 years. I don't know. I just want to keep things the way they are. Next question. You have the ability to play every instrument perfectly with no flaws, but you don't have the ability to speak. No! You need to talk. Jeez. I like talking. Maybe I could talk through my instrument. And I'm just going to stop. You get $1,000, but this website would no longer exist. Sure. I don't really care. Like, it's a good website, but I'd rather have $1,000. Ooh, this one's cool. You make a YouTube video that gets 1 million views, but half of the ratings are dislikes. I don't really know. Because I want people to like my videos. will not. Because whenever I make YouTube videos, I want people to like them and be happy about them. Not just say, like, no, I don't like that. Like, half of you would, but half of you wouldn't, so. Yeah, no. Alright. So, that's the end of this episode. I hope you guys all enjoyed. And I guess I'll see you guys later. If you like my videos and you haven't already, please subscribe and give it up with a like. I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye!